Hey YouTube, welcome back.
End of day two.
What?
End of day two.
End of day 2. We kind of marked out where we're gonna stick the poles. Wherever you see a little, where's my finger? Okay, not my finger, but a black thing there. And one back there. And one right there. One right there. So anyways, that's gonna be the perimeter of our little duck area. As you can see, we've taken down a few trees, cleaned out some brush, got our pond liner laid out where we want. These are the trees that were standing. Sorry, I'm not trying to make you dizzy. They were standing all right back here. Now we have to take down eventually this, oops, that big tree, this maple, and the little, right there, the skinny little tree, not the big pine, but the little one. That's the progress for day 2. We'll get back to you with more progress farther along we go. Thank you for watching our channel and hope you stay with us. Hello to the new subscribers if we have any. Hello to all the old ones. Like, share, subscribe, and hopefully we'll have more for you. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.